peace versus war, rich against the poor, different versus different, bed versus the floor, wall versus the door, shore black, water black, money back in green, back in season, spring falling, summertime for all natural races. Wanna decide which side you're gonna, don't know which evil side is upon us this time. Mind your business, stay in line, find your calling, enterprise. Cut your way off the red tape, leaving things in a state of chaos and earthquakes. Chaos and earthquakes. Cut your way off the red tape, leaving things in a state of chaos and earthquakes. Chaos and earthquakes. This is maniacal, entire societies are falling without a net underneath them with no one digging them out. The fire has gotten out of control, we got no water, no buckets, and we're lucky if tomorrow comes. Why is it important anymore? Sure, I'd like to know that, need to know information, but when I know it, what reactions will it cause when they finally show up, dressed up, amped up in a black car? Wanna decide which side you're gonna, don't know which evil side is upon us this time. Mind your business, stay in line, find your glory, enterprise. Cut your way off the red tape, leaving things in a state of chaos and earthquakes. Chaos and earthquakes. Cut your way off the red tape, leaving things in a state of chaos and earthquakes. Chaos and earthquakes. Cut away